Hi everyone, welcome to our smart home. There are several security features I installed in the house, and it actually started as a hobby. And I'm gonna show you some of those. This one. The doors and the windows are armed. I also installed, of course, IP cameras, passive infrared switches, and a lot more. But in today's video, I'm gonna do a quick unboxing as well as installation of this smart door lock system, and I'm gonna demonstrate the features or the 6 different ways of using that smart door. Okay, so let's get started. I just got this from GMT, and I actually ordered this one from Shopee. This product came from China. It took around 12 days for this product to be delivered. Okay, so we're gonna see what's inside the box. Oops. As you can see, this is an intelligent lock. I'm gonna show you the features later on. Okay, so of course it comes with a manual, and this is an English manual. This is the template in order to install the lock. Okay, and this is the lock that we're gonna use. These are the cards that we can use in order to unlock the device. Okay. Manual keys, it's included, and here we have the screws. This aside. These are the mechanisms that we will be attaching at the side panel of the door, of course. And additional screws. Now let me demonstrate the features or the different methods that you can use to enter this smart door. The first one is with the use of manual keys. This can be used as an override if, for example, the battery runs low. So just have to insert the key in the slot and you can enter, of course, the door. The second method is with the use of a key card. So you just have to tap this and the door will be locked. After 5 seconds, the door will automatically be locked. The third method is with the use of a pin. So you just have to activate the keypad, then you have to enter the number and the door will be unlocked. Okay, the fourth method is with the use of a fingerprint. So you just have to use your fingerprint to unlock. Okay, now it's go. Okay, the fifth feature or method of entering through the smart door is with the Tuya Smart app. So you just have to tell your guests to activate the keypad, then enter number 9 and hash. It will actually notify me through my phone. So if I will be clicking the confirm within 5 minutes, the door will be unlocked. Okay. And the sixth or the last method is through a remote or dynamic password. So you can actually generate one, copy the password, and send it to someone who's going to visit you or enter your house. So again, they just need to activate the keypad, then input the number. In this case, it's 4527 3226 hash, and the door will be unlocked. That's all for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified in my future videos. Bye!